People, welcome to the Politricks Squash. This is Sir P. Look about my squash again. That's the DJ Squash, aka Teletubby. Can you time we talk about them favorite artists, them and their numerous criminal activities, the immediate rebuttal is, yeah, but I just see a bad man because you see them on the benzene on. Alright, simple guy, bad man. The Teletubby trial is about to start. Things get even spookier for him because the prosecution introduced new evidence. The prosecution introduced video, picture, all kind of something at the Teletubby with all kind of matic. Them even show the Teletubby with one pink Glock. Massa I see him. Pink Glock. Them catch him with in Florida. That's why I wanna deal with Glock still, you know. Cause people say, look at you boy, me it's a 6 hour yeah, the Glock thing. Glock coming like little brown dog them in the armor. Everybody have one. But them do them job still. Can't take that from them. They just want something to do the job. The feds going to Teletubby phone. It look like Teletubby thinks that he thinks a little password on the iCloud can help him. Feds gather all them needs together. Remember, what the feds are good at is finding a way. Them a tell Teletubby say him still have a chance to plead. Remember, Teletubby is illegal in Uncle Sam place. Illegal. He is the last person to move around with no matic. Would think him is merciless. Give me the Glock matic, let them have it. Papa have my 3-star ratchet, let them have it. Wrong DJ. Teletubby claims say he want counter and put in this as to why case get dismissed. Rest assured, if you ever hear say that case get dismissed, that means the feds finally hear Teletubby call one name and say something that is of high value to them. Cause him already a leak, but the leaking not worth it. The man them him a talk about, nobody interested in them Duppybat. What you can do for it? If Teletubby bust this case and stay in a Uncle Sam place, surely he has to be remembered as one of the greatest informers in an informerdom. And that's coming from me, big informer. I think even somebody like me who's a proud informer would have to accept that Teletubby thing reach a whole different level. Teletubby is trying to get the case dropped. Remember, the feds catch him red-handed with the matic. Go in him phone and find him much picture with him face and fire the matic and all kind of other illegal weapons. And now he might ask the feds them to drop the case. It has to be studied. Just for having a pink Glock alone, you know, say Uncle Sam a dash me. Or Uncle Sam run joke about feeling gun in a gun country, you know. Especially Florida. Pink Glock. That alone make the boy have to go up sometime a jail. I'm just telling you how it works. Them even show images. The Duppybat, I'm telling you, these Irish socks and 87s have to be some of the dumbest dumbos you will find in Dum Dum. The feds have picture with Teletubby a squeeze off rounds with him face in at the shot with the gun. The case done. Tubby, how much name you can call? Teletubby, how much name you can call? If me did have any link to Teletubby right now, I would be hiding under my bed because the feds are coming. The fact that Teletubby make him lawyer them put in documents to get case drop means that somewhere in those documents they're going to have to state valid reasons as to why Uncle Sam must no longer pursue a case them already spend time and resources on. And you know the feds that will spend time and resources just so them want something. The feds come like one taxi man will give woman free drive and that's how it go. And not just so it go. I gonna need something in return. Think I saw free drive go? Think I saw case drop go? How much name you can call Duppybat? The Teletubby is in serious trouble. How long now we are talking about him? Let me say my bad mind him. See me tell a lie on him. I fight against the ghetto youth. Come on TV them thinking more about I fight against the youth from the ghetto. Be quiet, Duppybat. We don't believe you, Duppybat. Go on like him and some innocent youth and everybody tell be a lie on him. Well, see, I just do. JC for fight against him, cause JC fight against artists and bad mind artists. Just like look YouTuber. Well, I know JC have him now. Duppybat fan guy, Duppybat fan girl. I know JC have him. I know me arrest him. I know me accost him and took him into custody. Uncle Sam. Unless your argument is Uncle Sam bad mind him, Team Bimmer and him Benz. Only him though. I mean, whole heap of artists, I mean, whole heap of money. But I just, people like Teletubby them pressure. I wonder why. Must be the Benz, I guess. Tell them what the face and them what the figure. Man, me the Benz and the Pex and the Bimmer. I don't know. I feds of him. If Teletubby fans cared about him, them that tell him long time ago, Duppybat, Lego certain things. But these fans are vile, just as vile as the artists. They enable the artists, they encourage the artists, acidity, and then when the artist is in custody, them say, boy, look how in dash when in life. You know no sense in it, you know no sense. Going to dash when in life. Vile. Tubby, how much name you can call? Tubby. Call some better name you. The name you are calling now. That can't work at the lowly, but right now feds involved in a problem. The feds really gonna tell Teletubby phone go find same picture of the same gun and hold him with all picture of him and fire off gun in a year. Remember them tell us say once to get a youth them drop a foreign and get an opportunity then you see me I go say then the peace I go rain cause you see me I say just to the sufferation when I Salt Spring make him have to go so boom to eat one slice of bread or him I go dead. You see me I say bro, as soon as you get an opportunity or this opportunity to get a youth them need. See me I say bro, listen guy, acidic is acidic. Whether in a city, rural or uptown. And giving somebody acidic money don't make them a better person. In many ways it make them worse. Because they know of the opportunity to do all them can do. When you're acidic and you just sit down on the corner on a Marchpen Road and can't do nothing, you can only destroy people in your proximity. But when you're acidic and have money and resources and fame, the destruction can spread far and wide. Teletubby, know yourself. Welcome to the club, the Informal Club. I don't hold it against Teletubby. I don't hold it against you because I can understand, I can relate to being an informer. What is fascinating about the Teletubby's case is that in 2025, man still get catch. So easy. Everybody know that the feds sit down and watch 87s. Everybody know that the feds sit down and watch Duppybat. We've known this for decades. All people who've never traveled to Uncle Sam's place know that's how the feds work. And Teletubby them, J-Man them, document them crimes, gather them own evidence, and then just hand it over to Uncle Sam. So it's like them almost as a send me to prison. It has to be studied. The bad minding can't stop. Oh, bad minding if you stop and him have dropped up. I mean, none. Can't go so. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Walter squad, stay circling. Bless.